In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CSS hover effect for buttons in Dreamweaver. Let's dive right in. First, open your page in Dreamweaver's split view. This view is particularly helpful because it allows you to see both the code and design aspects of your page at the same time. It's like having a map and the terrain side by side, making the process more intuitive and efficient. Next, look for the body section in Code View. This is where the main content of your web page resides. It's important because everything visual that users interact with is typically found here. Once you've located the body section, paste the following code. Open bracket button class equals quote btn quote close bracket. Click me, open bracket slash button close bracket. This snippet creates a button with the text click me. It's a simple element, but it forms the base of the interactive feature we are building. Now it's time to find the head section. The head section is crucial as it contains metadata and links to styles and scripts that define the page's functionality and design. We'll be adding our CSS here. Paste the following code right before the closing head tag. Open style close style dot btn open brace background dash color colon blue semicolon color colon white semicolon padding colon 10 pixels 20 pixels semicolon border colon none semicolon close brace. Then add .btn colon hover open brace, background dash color colon green semicolon, close brace. This code styles the button with a blue background and white text by default. When you hover over it, the background changes to green. The padding creates space inside the button, making it look more aesthetically pleasing and easier to click. After pasting the code, save the file. Saving ensures that all the changes you've made are recorded. It's a simple but vital step that prevents loss of work and frustration later on. With that ready, click on Live View. Live View is a powerful feature in Dreamweaver. It allows you to preview how your web page will look and behave in a real browser. This is important because it provides immediate feedback on your changes. Now hover your mouse over the button. You should see the background color shift from blue to green. This visual feedback indicates that your CSS hover effect is working perfectly. It's a simple interaction, yet it adds a dynamic touch to your web page, enhancing user experience by providing a more interactive interface. Remember, using hover effects is a great way to make your website feel more responsive and engaging. It gives users a clear indication of what elements are interactive, which can improve navigation and overall usability. Little touches like this can significantly elevate the professionalism of your web design. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully incorporated a CSS hover effect into a button using Dreamweaver. This skill is not only useful for buttons but can be applied to many other elements, offering versatility in your web design projects. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!